Out this pre-owned 2009 Cadillac CTS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This Cadillac has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.